Hello, welcome back to In the Kitchen with Pen, excuse me. Typical, have to start to cough, don't I? Whilst we were in Farmfoods yesterday, we spotted these, and it is an AMOY Korean BBQ seasoning. And what you get in there, you get your noodles, which are cooking, you get a kimchi seasoning that is on my chicken, you get a gochujang sauce, and you get a Korean barbecue sauce. And what you do, that's what you get in there, your dried noodles and the sauces. All you have to add is your protein, and I'm using chicken breasts, so I put a little bit of oil on the chicken breast and added the seasoning, and then I've chopped some peppers, some onions and some mushrooms. So once my noodles are cooked, I'm going to drain them, I'm going to cool them, and then I'm going to start cooking this. Now this cost us £1. Everything else I had in, so you know, £1 dinner, 50p each, because I had it in, I'd already bought it, so I'm not, you know, I'm not out of pocket, am I? I hope I'm not out of taste. We'll have to see how it tastes. What I'll do is I'll probably bring you back when I'm starting to stir fry things, and then obviously when we're finished cooking and we have a taste. But AMOY Korean barbecue meal kit, £1 in Farmfoods. This is our chicken, our vegetables and our gochujang sauce, just stir frying. Got to cook that for about 5 minutes, just until the chicken... Right, that's everything in there, the barbecue sauce, the gochujang sauce, all our vegetables, all our noodles. It just needs 2 minutes to heat the noodles through, and we'll be dishing up. Right, we are cooked, we are dished up. I have finished just with some spring onions. That's Steve's. I've tried to make sure all the mushrooms are on there. That one's mine, as per, taking Steve's through, and we'll be back for the taste. Right then, let's taste, shall we? It's a chicken because that had the kimchi seasoning on it, didn't it? So there we go. Right, there's some heat, but flavour wise, peppers and onions, noodles. Now you know, actually there's a lot of heat, it's building now, but it's more heat than flavour, do you know what I mean? Now as you know, with noodles I always use Lucky Boat noodles. These are obviously AMOY noodles, so let's taste those. And I promise you, it isn't a case of a noodle being a noodle. The Lucky Boat are so much nicer. Let's try. What do I think? Would I buy it again? No. Would I attempt to make it myself? Yes, I would, because I have some gochujang paste. Kimchi seasoning. I don't know if I'd use that. I'll find something else, and I can make a Korean barbecue sauce. But for £1, £1, if you've got the ingredients in, give it a go. So thank you for watching this episode of In the Kitchen with me. I'm off now, and I shall see you all very soon. Bye bye for now.